transport. Hello, little explorers. Get ready to explore air transport as we take to the skies and explore the wonderful world of air transport. Get ready for an exciting journey with these amazing flying machines. Airplane. Meet Jet, the jolly airplane. Jet is a friendly plane with big wings and a colorful paint job. With a cheerful smile and engines roaring, Jet flies high above the earth, carrying passengers to faraway lands with fluffy clouds as pillows. Helicopter. Whirly. Here comes Chopper, the brave helicopter. Chopper has spinning blades on top and a daring pilot at the controls. With a brave heart and a rescue rope dangling below, Chopper zooms through the air, saving the day and helping people in need. Hot air balloon. Up, up, and away with Blaza, the bold hot air balloon. Blazy is a colorful balloon filled with hot air and dreams of adventure. With a gentle breeze and a basket below, Blazy floats gracefully through the sky, offering breathtaking views and magical journeys. Kite. Soar high with Sky the spirited kite. Sky is a colorful kite with a long tail and a joyful spirit. With a sturdy string and a gust of wind, Sky dances and twirls in the air, painting the sky with bright colors and spreading joy to all who watch. Paper airplane. Fold, fold, and fly with Zoom the zippy paper airplane. Zoom is a simple plane made of paper and dreams. With careful folds and a flick of the wrist, Zoom glides through the air, performing loop-de-loops and daring dives, proving that anything is possible with a little imagination. With airplanes, helicopters, hot air balloons, kites, and paper airplanes, the sky's the limit for your imagination and adventures in the wonderful world of air transport.